Broadway anytime soon. Okay, can I get, raise your hand if you most recently went to a movie? Oh, okay.
True Grit.
What movie was it?
True Grit.
True Grit, that was a good movie. And what is your name?
Mike.
Mike, would you mind joining us on stage?
Uh-oh.
Mike. No, that's the mic. That's the mic. Yeah.
Have a seat, Mike. Mike, when you were at that movie, they had something called sound effects. Like when the horse or the gunshot and stuff like that.
Right.
That's because they had something called a budget. That is something we do not have. And so what we need for this particular scene is a sound effects person.
Uh-oh.
And since you most recently went to a movie, I figure he's the movie expert here.
Yeah.
So these two players, right, they're going to be doing a scene, and periodically they're going to say something that's going to require a sound effect, and you'll provide that. For instance, let's have an example.
Flock of ducks.
Whack, whack.
Wasn't that great? So you guys got it. Okay. Exactly. So to get these guys started in the scene, can I get a suggestion from you?
Yes.
Of a relationship that these two people might have, like brothers or
Twin cousins.
cousins.
Twins.
Twin cousins.
Betty Joe,
Yes, Bobby Sue.
I think we ought to go into the haunted house.
I'm scared to go in the haunted house, Bobby.
I'm going to open the door.
Sorry, I left my mouse in my pocket.
Oh, let your mouse go, Bobby.
I'm still scared, Bobby.
I don't blame you
Let's
because
walk, Bobby.
that old man over there just yelled at us. Yeah, he's very hoarse. I think he's got.
I think it's from Billy Vanilli. Milli Vanilli. Let's walk on these.
Wait. Ring the bell first to alert the ghost.
Okay, ghost, here we go.
Oh, I'm hungry too. Oh. Dogs are out like crazy on this hot summer night.
I'm still scared. Frogs. Yeah, I'm hungry now too. Let's walk on these creaky boards.
Okay.
Creek.
Before the show starts.